Okay, this is Echo wall clock. Today I unboxing to see what inside the box and what the function about this wall clock. This is just received today. Very nice. It's quite big. Yeah, quite big. This is Alexa Echo Generation 1. I try to pair with this.
The Pontiac Grand Safari was Pontiac's top-of-the-line
Alexa,
full-sized.
Stop. Thank you. Okay, I have one hand, so very difficult to unboxing this. Sorry for the video. Yeah. Sometimes the video will jump up and down, so sorry about that. This is the box. Conceal here. Sealing tab. Put it down. Lying out. Wow. Very beautiful. Okay. Sorry about that. I only have one hand, so very difficult to read out. Oh, what's up? I think this battery, for battery. What inside else? Nothing. Okay. This is a quick start guide. Okay. This guide also how to pair the clock. Okay. This is plastic. And here have a Amazon logo here. You see, yeah, logo here. This is the battery cover for battery. Two pair. Amazon Basics. The battery is alkaline from Amazon. Good. So we no need to buy a battery. Oh, don't have a glass. You see, don't have the glass here. Yeah, just the clock. And this is long hand. You see the long hand. This is a short hand. Don't touch the hand, so you can cause the clock will malfunction. Okay, now I put the battery inside. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what happened?